What's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Holochain, guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest update of a Holochain. I'm talking about the latest prediction of a Holochain, guys. But guys, first of all, I'm very shocked about Holochain. You already know that the changes is completely going in the loss. Negative changes occur in the Holochain the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. These all changes are going negative, so that's why I'm very sad to see these kind of changes. Anyways, guys, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now our channel for more news and updates videos about the Holochain. The right now price of Holochain in the market is about 0.009712 USD dollar. That is the right now price of a Holochain. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes, so now the last 1 hour change is negative 1.11%. Last 1 day changes is negative 6.91%. Saying last 1 week changes is about 20.86%. Oh my god. From these changes appeared, it's clear that very petty the price of Holochain decreased. Just look here, guys, the chart. These all falls occur just in the last 4 to 5 days. Just in the last 4 to 5 days, these all kind of falls occur. So, guys, you know what? There is a opportunity for a short-term investor. Now you can see, I believe my prediction is that after falls there is a jump. And you can see here the price of Holochain falls, so this means that the price becomes low. That's opportunity for all of you. Buy now the low price coin. Buy now the low price coin and invest. Absolutely, just hold to the last of this month. I hope, guys, you get a profit. Very good profit you get from a Holochain, guys. Believe me. And you know what, guys, my prediction is that this falls continue for 1 day, 2 day, maybe for 1 week. But after 1 week the price of Holochain will again pump, and huge pump will occur, guys. So alert, guys, it is opportunity, don't miss. Anyways, the chain is about negative 16.85% in the last 30 days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.